Hello guys! Welcome back to Doodleville. Today we're going to be drawing a PANDACORN. It's a panda with a unicorn horn. Hi guys! Welcome back to Doodleville. Today we're going to be drawing a PANDACORN. It's a panda with a unicorn horn. So let's get started. So we're going to start near the top of the paper. And we're going to draw a slanted line down. And then on the other side, another slanted line down. That's going to be the unicorn horn. And then a little point on the bottom. Now we're going to start on the side. And we're going to curve all the way up behind the unicorn horn. So it looks like it's on its head. And then out the other way and down. Now you're going to draw a slanted line across and then connect it to the other side. We're going to draw some rainbow shaped ears, just a little curve around. Good job, everyone. Now we're going to draw curved slanted lines across on the unicorn horn. So you can separate them into different colors if you want to. Now we're going to draw underneath the eye. It's going to be an oval shaped. Like that. And then you're going to put the eye inside. And then do the same to the other side. And then draw the eye inside of the patch. Now we're going to do the nose. We did a heart nose, but you can do a different type of nose if you want to. And then draw two little curved lines at the end for the mouth. Now we're going to draw some stars, any type of star, any way you want, because the unicorn horn is magical, and you can draw as much as you want. Good job. Those stars look awesome. You can draw some more if you like. Good job, everyone. Now it's time to color! Bye, guys. If you made it this far in the video, hashtag PANDACORN in the comment section down below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, notification bell, and share with your friends.